So hi guys, today I'm going to make a hair roller in 3D by using SOLIDWORks. Yeah, this is the front view, this is side view, and this is the top. So now we are going to make my hair roller 3D by using SOLIDWORks software. So let me open the software. So I'm gonna choose here new file, which is path. So the first main thing I'm going to do is selecting the dimensions. I'm putting in centimeters. After that, I'm gonna select 20 plane. Yeah, let me start with this circle. My small dimension of this will be 2 centimeters. Okay, in features, and now I'm going to do extruder boss. Opposite direction for 10 centimeters. Okay. Now now I'm going to make that sharp edges sharp. For that I'm gonna create a plane. My first reference of this plane will be top plane and this. I'll make it parallel so that it is going to touch to the surface. Now I'm gonna sketch on this plane. Let me make a small circle. I'm gonna give this small dimension to this is 0.1 centimeter. It is very small, and the distance between starting and to this will be 0.5 centimeter. And let me put this vertical so that it will be standing. So now I'm going to extrude this. Height will be 1 centimeter. Now I'm going to sketch on center now again. I'm going to use convert entities as this. So now I'm gonna use this feature called helix and spiral. Yeah, my helix and spiral will be, my pitch will be 40 centimeters and my revolutions will be 25. And start angle will be 90 degrees perfect. I'm gonna say okay. We hide this plane first. Now I'm gonna use another feature called curve driven pattern. Here I'm gonna select direction will be my X by this Excel spiral one, and I'm gonna select here bodies. This body I want to do, and we have tangent to the curve, and face normal will be this one. Yeah, perfect. So my distance will be here 0.5 centimeter. 19, okay. My count will be 19. I'm gonna say yes. So let me hide this. Yeah. So now I'm gonna make this around the surface. For that I'm gonna select circular pattern. My direction will be this one, and I'm gonna select the bodies of all this. You need to be careful here while selecting all these bodies. This might be a little confusing, but it is easy to do. As I selected everything, and my equal spacing angle will be 360, and I'm gonna put it 10. Yeah, now this part is ready. As you can see, this part is ready. Now I'm gonna make the second part. For making second part, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make some reference planes. My first reference will be front plane. From my front plane, so my distance will be 10 centimeter, which will be touching to this end. Okay, now I'm gonna make second reference plane. So first will be just keep front plane itself, and my distance will be 11 centimeters. Half-lip. Okay, I'm gonna take another reference plane. I'm gonna select the thin plane, half-lip, and my distance will be 15 centimeter. Another reference plane. Let me plane, and the distance will be 22 centimeter. Click offset. Done. Yeah, now making this all the reference planes by using this. Now let us make the second part. First, let us sketch plane 2. I'm gonna take convert entities of this. Sorry, on this one, of this circle. Okay. Now I'm gonna sketch my path plane. Sketch. Same, I'm gonna go convert entities of this too. And delete. Now I'm going to edit my fourth plane. My fourth plane will be a square. I'm taking square because you can see here this shape will be another shape. See, as you can see, there is a curve. To make this curve, I'm gonna take a middle square so that I can fix it. So I'm gonna make first this. So let me give relation to this so that it will be standard. So this will be horizontal. Okay. This should be vertical. Okay. For small dimensions, this will be 2.5 centimeter. Let us make 2 centimeter. And this should also be 2 centimeter. Yeah. Exit. Now I'm gonna sketch on my fifth plane. I'm gonna make small geometry. Let us make dimension for this is 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use feature which is called surface, loofed surface. I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna select plane 2, plane 3, plane 4, and my plane 5. I'm gonna say okay. As you can see, a nice part 2 has been ready. Let us hide all these planes. Yeah. Now it is perfect. As if you see, there is an bend inside from this on this side. Yeah, it is bended to inside. So to make that, I'm gonna use feature, freeform feature. I'm gonna select this and select this side. Control to polygon, sorry, add curve. I'm gonna select flip direction. I'm gonna select the center part. Now escape. Now I'm gonna touch on this. Now I'm gonna add point at center. Escape. Now this is the center to the pocket. We know this select and see clearly. Yeah. By touching this center point, I'm gonna make a dip to the inside so that there will be a forming of dip. As you can see, there is a as you can see, it is gone inside to the part. So the same guys, I'm gonna do this to control polygon, add curve, flip direction. I'm gonna select the center line. Escape. I'm gonna add point, another point, which is center. Escape. Let us take this way. Yeah, I'm gonna take center point and make it. Yeah. Also done. This one and this one has been done. Now another part. Another set. Inside save. Reform. Control polygon. Add curve. Flip direction. Select the center one. Escape. I'm gonna add point here. Yes. Escape. Escape. I'm gonna make it. Let's keep this. Perfect. So these sides have been done. Now bottom one. So reform, control polygon, add curve, flip direction. I'm gonna select the center line. Escape. I'm gonna add a point here in this center. Escape. And then I'm gonna use easy. Yeah. As you can see, the depth, different depth is created. Okay. Before doing flex of this, let us make note. Let us just delete feature with this. If we let us make from 0.1. Yeah, 0.1. Okay. Let's make it here. Let us also make this. Delete. Same, I'm gonna select this two. Also this edge and also this edge. All these edges I'm gonna give them 0.2. Yeah, now I'm gonna save. Okay. Now the smooth edge will be created. Now what I'm going to save, I'm gonna select this two. Select this. Like this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use flex feature by selecting this so that I can twist. I'm gonna twist with the angle of 90 degrees. No, okay. Yeah, now you can see it's perfect. Okay, let me give alignment to this. Edit appearance. So if you like this tutorial, please do subscribe, and also please mention if you don't understand something. Please mention in comment section so that I can clarify your doubts. So this is the overall model, 3D model of my hair flow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.